Do you have any plans to make real estate investments? If the answer is yes, that's excellent. But it's important to avoid errors that could hinder your success. Today, we'll look into some top mistakes that you need to avoid to succeed as a real estate investor in 2023. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Real estate investing can be a terrific method to accumulate wealth over time, but it's crucial to avoid overpaying for a place. One of the biggest errors that investors make is overpaying for a property or getting involved in a bidding war. Paying too much can limit your earnings potential and may even result in a loss on your investment. Research the value of homes in the area you're investing in to avoid spending too much for a property. Avoid overpaying by not letting the excitement of the purchase get the better of you. Even if you find a great offer, don't be afraid to turn it down. Not conducting adequate research is another error that investors frequently make. Make sure to thoroughly grasp the market conditions, the property's rental potential, and what would be required to prepare it for tenants before making a purchase. You can wind up losing money on the investment if you don't conduct your research before buying a property. Getting as much details as you can before making an offer will help you prevent this and ensure that you're fully aware of what to anticipate. Before making an offer, do some research on the market, the property, and the community. Investors frequently underestimate the expense of repairing a property, which can cause them to lose money. Be cautious to account for the cost of repairs and renovations when you purchase a property. You risk losing money on the investment if you don't have adequate money set aside for maintenance. To prevent this, make sure your estimate of the cost of the repairs is accurate and that you're ready to pay for them out of pocket. Working with specialists certainly pays off in this situation. Bring in contractors, home inspectors, and other qualified experts if you're unsure how to evaluate repair expenses so they can provide you with precise estimates. Acquiring property in an undesirable area is another error that investors make. Rentable incomes, vacancy rates, and resale value may all suffer as a result. You run the risk of experiencing high levels of crime, vandalism, and other issues if you purchase a home in an undesirable or unsafe area. Research the areas where you're considering making investments to avoid this. Check out the data on crime, school performance, and other crucial factors. Don't invest in a community if it doesn't live up to your requirements. Instead, go to the areas that are developing and have lots of promise. Future positive growth in these locations is more likely to result in higher rentals, fewer vacancies, and greater appreciation. Investing without a strategy is another error that investors make. Money may end up being wasted as a result of poor decisions and lost chances. Have a thorough investment plan prior to purchasing any property to prevent this. Your objectives, tactics, and criteria for success should all be included in your strategy. You must make sure the rental income can cover the mortgage payment, repairs, and emergency fund when considering your budget. Having a carefully considered strategy will help you make the right decisions and avoid errors. You'll also be able to stay focused on your goals and achieve them faster. Don't overlook this step because developing a plan is crucial for any real estate investor. Knowing your financial objectives is crucial when purchasing an investment property. A buy and flip can be a fantastic alternative if you're seeking for quick returns and are willing to devote more time to your real estate investing portfolio. A buy and hold approach can be preferable if you're aiming for long-term prosperity. Successful investors are aware of their objectives in advance so they can locate the ideal properties to expand their portfolios. Be sure you know what you want before investing in real estate because failing to have both short-term and long-term goals might result in expensive mistakes. So keep these mistakes in mind if you're planning to invest in real estate in 2023. Let us know what you think about these mistakes in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button and please do subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos like this in the future. Goodbye.